Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change DNS in Windows 10. So first step, you need to search for the control panel, open control panel, and once you open control panel, you simply need to click on network and internet. Then you simply need to click on network and sharing center, and then you need to click on change adapter settings. Once you are here, select your network that is connected, and after that, here you can see different options. You simply need to click on properties and click on internet protocol version 4. Click on properties again, click on use the following DNS server address. Then you need to add your preferred DNS server address here. Click on OK and close that. So this is the process that you need to follow to change DNS in Windows 10. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.